Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video I will explain how to get the Notion song in Geometry Dash. Many players enjoy creating levels with this popular track. First, you will need to open the game and navigate to the level editor. From there, you can access the song selection menu. Make sure your device has a strong internet connection, as you will be downloading the song directly from the game's integrated music library. This process is quite straightforward and takes only a few moments to complete. To locate the song, begin by launching Geometry Dash and selecting the Create menu. Next, either start a new level or edit an existing one to enter the level editor. Within the editor, you will see a music icon. Tap this to bring up the song selection menu. In the search bar provided, type Notion by the rare occasions. This should help you quickly find the correct song among the many available tracks. After successfully finding Notion in the search results, you will see a download button next to its title. Click this button to begin the download process. A confirmation prompt may appear. Accept it to save the song to your local game files. Once downloaded, simply select the song from your list to apply it as the background music for your custom level. Now, your level will feature the iconic Notion track. In some rare cases, if you cannot find Notion through the in-game search, it might be considered a null or not on Newgrounds song. This typically means you would need to manually replace an existing song file with an MP3 of Notion in your game's directory. For any download issues, always check your internet connection first. If problems persist, a quick restart of Geometry Dash can often resolve minor glitches and ensure proper functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.